Órale, ¿qué tal? ¡Viva México! Yes. Oh, hey, there you are. Why don't you come in a little closer so I can explain to you a couple of things that have been going on in my beautiful country of Mexico. Now, this is actually a warning. That's right, my friends. A warning to all you Americans out there. Last year, we have a lot of Americans want to have party and come. Ooh, Cancun, Acapulco, spring break. Yee! You know what? That gives me a headache. You want to know why? Because look at that. Look at that fence. It's not a big fence, is it? It can't keep all the Americans from illegally jumping the fence and coming into Mexico. You know, they want to come here because they can spend their American dollars, go a lot farther here in Mexico. And yes, we love the tourism, but you have to do it legally. Eh? You know, you gotta cross the border at the legal border patrol, you know, for the Americans has to let you in, and you have to show them, you know, that you're coming to Mexico to have a good time, Acapulco, Cancun, crazy, whatever, spring break, then you can go back to your stupid college. I don't care. But I don't want a headache again this year. So if you try to jump that fence, we're gonna have problems, amigo. You and me, we do not see eye to eye. Okay?